In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to process a refund in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned accountant or just getting started with Zoho, the process might seem a bit daunting at first. But don't worry, we'll walk through each step together to make it as smooth as possible. So, let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Zoho website. This is your portal to accessing all the features you need for your business management, including processing refunds. Once you're on the site, you'll want to find the Sign In button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. When you spot it, go ahead and give it a click. Now, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with your Zoho Books account to ensure everything's linked correctly. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Zoho homepage. This is your central hub for all things Zoho. From the Zoho home, our next stop is the Zoho Books dashboard. You'll find this by navigating through the menu options. Just look for the link to Zoho Books and head over there. The dashboard will give you a clear overview of your current financial standings. But today, we're focusing on refunds. Now that you're in Zoho Books, the next section we need to explore is Sales. This is where a lot of your transaction records reside. And it's also where you initiate the refund process. Click on Sales, and it will open up a list of all recent sales activities. The specific part of sales we need to focus on is payments received. This is important because in order to process a refund, you'll first need to identify the original payment that needs refunding. Click on Payments Received, and you'll see a rundown of all the payments that have come through your accounts. From this list, find the payment that corresponds to the refund you wish to process. Double-check the details to ensure you have the right transaction. Verify dates, amounts, and any other identifiers that will confirm you're handling the right one. Once you're sure, proceed to the refund option and follow through with the prompts to finalize the refund. And that's how you do it. You've successfully navigated through Zoho Books to process a refund. Remember, keeping accurate records is critical, so make sure to document everything as you go. If you need to double-check any of the steps we've covered today, just rewind and watch again. Thanks for sticking through to the end. I hope this has demystified the process for you, making it easier and more manageable. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Until next time, happy bookkeeping!